Final score, Argentina 3, Algeria 0. A World Cup night that football fans will never forget. One match, one legend, one historic World Cup performance that stunned football fans around the world.
What if I told you that the FIFA World Cup 2026 could help you earn your first million views or even your first $1 million online? FIFA has partnered with YouTube, making it easier than ever for fans to watch World Cup highlights and football content every day. But while millions of people are watching, smart creators are using this global event to grow channels, attract foreign audience, and generate income online. Many YouTubers have already shown you how to start a FIFA channel, but in this video, we will reveal a simple and practical way to create FIFA World Cup content with minimal copyright risks. Since the FIFA World Cup is running from June 11 to the 19th of July 2026, this is the perfect opportunity to take advantage of the trend and work toward YouTube monetization. So, if you want to learn the complete strategy, stay with us and watch this video until the very end. Copy the prompt provided in the description and paste it into your Android Notes app. Next, open YouTube and search for FIFA World Cup 2026 highlights. You will find many World Cup highlight videos. Copy the link of any recent highlights video and paste it into the prompt. Also, specify the duration of the highlights video you want to create. For example, if the original video is 2 minutes long, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a 1-minute highlights version. At the top of the prompt, mention the uniform colors of both teams to ensure consistent character designs throughout the video. After editing the prompt, open ChatGPT and paste it. ChatGPT will generate a complete 1-minute highlights video package, including step-by-step image prompts, motion prompts, voice-over scripts, sound effects. We generated our images in a 16:9 aspect ratio. But if you want to create YouTube Shorts in 9:16 format, simply change the aspect ratio in the prompt. Copy each image prompt one by one and generate the images in Flow AI. Then, use the corresponding motion prompts, voice-over scripts, and sound effects to create the video clips. If the voice generated by Flow AI does not sound consistent, you can use any AI voice generator to create a voiceover in your preferred voice. Once all video clips are ready, import them into CapCut for editing. Add text overlays, transitions, effects, and enable captions to make the video more engaging. And that's what makes our method different. No long, confusing explanations and no copying other creators' content. We focus on simple, practical, and effective strategies that help you create valuable content and grow your channel the right way. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with fellow creators, and subscribe to our channel for more smart YouTube growth tips, AI tools, and trending content opportunities. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.